Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to bypass character AI NSFW filter. Okay, first things first, the NSFW filter of character.ai is frustrating several users who want prompts or AI content generation flexibility. Due to this frustration, around 150,000 users have signed this petition in order to add a toggle for the NSFW filter. Although thousands of users have signed the petition, there is no such response from the character.ai support team yet. In these scenarios, users are seeking ways to bypass the NSFW filter. Now, in order to bypass this filter, all you have to do is to use some of the alternative words or prompts. But you note that you have to use it at your own risk in order to bypass this NSFW filter. At present, there is no such method other than this to use character.ai without the NSFW filter. But what I would recommend to you is to try some of the other alternatives of character.ai, which are providing great services without any NSFW filter on. If you'll make a request, we will try to make a video on that topic as well. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now bypass character AI NSFW filter. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.